Hello, Poon. Check her out. I like her already. Good morning, sunshine.
Take her out, Candy.
Some G's them why pre-war go on. You don't know today me just there me a bill. Candy supposed to come give you a link today. I think Troubles in her room right now. Candy supposed to give you a link today. We're supposed to do a couple things today. I think we're gonna feed the animal them first. We're supposed to do a little cooking today and all of them something. We want to cook outside because we have a grill outside. So I want to do a little cooking outside. I want to roast a bread food today and stuff like that. If I don't do it today, I do it tomorrow. But we're not going to see it in the vlog. I'll probably just throw 2 fish on the grill. I'll probably roast a can too. I'm not too sure about that. But I think Chabas and Candy are going to do shish kebab. Them are going to do I'm going to do shrimp. And you know me not mess with nothing for shrimp. Everybody knows that I'm allergic to shrimp and who don't know, I'm telling you. I'm even going to tell you right now. The first time the vlog find out that I'm allergic to shrimp, I just going to play the video there. I do a little trip down memory lane in the vlog there. I'm going to play the video there right now. I catch an allergic reaction. We're not going to see it right now.
No. You must have taken a shot a while ago and him phone drop and broke.
No, you did it.
Last time we was here, Andrew phone broke because he was mad drunk. He was pissy drunk.
No, he's bad man.
Yeah, me did drunk and I told me to my phone. No, I told me to my phone. Famous, they look like one pop-off girl now, I swear. Don't you know? Don't you know that? Make them see your face, my youth. Make them see your face so that. You want some better, Jill? Make them see your face, my youth. Where you going? Can't do over there, so. Let me say, you do it for vlog. This dog, I don't know what you must go eat. The man face fat up. Be a fine bum. Eh?
When I can't make a pie for me.
This is dumb, yo.
That's some cokehead me up fire with. One bag in my food, one bag in my scandal.
The vlog, it's a shame thing.
I shit. Why you bring me allergic to?
Everybody's drunk.
Me not drunk, me sober.
And they acting crazy.
Me not drunk, me sober.
They acting crazy, and none of them have no sense of nothing.
Not even fries me eat again.
What? You get water? I have water in my bag.
Move, let me see Famous.
Yeah.
Famous. Famous. Antony. Yeah, get red. Yeah, get red.
Travis, pick up the big. Why y'all pay so much? I hear it. I feel like I'm the only responsible one.
Nobody thinks if we get allergic reaction. They have Benadryl. Man, tap it out to the bag now.
Shut up. Yo.
Famous, say alright? Say do it free flag. My movie wipes now, my youth.
The wipes.
Natalie, what you have to say about this whole situation?
I can't bother with y'all. Y'all don't know how to act.
Vlog. Then can't make a shower spice on me.
And this water.
Sir, look on him face. Look on him face, sir. He might be very allergic. He might be.
What he gonna get? Come here. Benadryl should be fine.
Put it on.
And everybody I watch now who remember the part they know it's not that alone. Them create an entire song in the car for me. I go play the part there too.
So right now we're coming at you all with a new song. It called This Nigga Got a Bum Bum Bum. Mel, kick it off. Yeah. This nigga got a bum bum bum. My nigga got a bum bum bum. Famous him got a bum bum bum. Bum bum bum.
Yo, he got a bump, bump, bump. You put a lump, lumps. Yo, yeah, we in a back. Yo, so sick. We in a Cadillac. Yo.
The nigga in the dark, you cannot see him. this nigga eat some fries.
I don't know.
Then
Shrimp?
him face got. I don't know why. Cause my nigga got a bum bum bum. My nigga got a bum bum bum. FamousSosick got a bum bum bum. So people tell me after all of that, when you really and truly think me, I go back. Go eat shrimp again. No, I'm not so wicked to myself. I know a whole heap of people are allergic to shrimp. All them do, I eat a Benadryl before and then them eat the shrimp. No, I don't love shrimp that much. A tree vlog. Vlog over there, so vlog over here, so vlog over here.
Oh, Jesus Christ, boy. Look.
Candy gone back.
Alright, people, so we're there with the table now.
You do it first.
Come touch it, no?
You first. Oh, yeah, look. Okay. Wait.
Cause she in a, look, the social still up herself, look. Kinda in a little bad girl mood, you know, nobody touch her. They'll piss her off,
Holy shit, look at that. She looking for your hand. She looking for your hand.
Yeah, cause me I tell him say she not eat. The fact say she make me touch her. If you're gonna do something else, you're gonna get mad.
Yo, should have been strike.
No man, no wait I'll make it more.
You not been jump up and go on with all of this something.
Good girl.
Good girl, yeah. Jesus Christ.
Ain't afraid, are you? Get up.
Ain't afraid, cause she me up.
With the ice closed?
Touch it now?
No, with the ice.
Touch it. Let's go. You know, you know, touch it. See? Touch it!
It's that move.
Look, give me a hold it here, look.
It's not the tail, it's the head.
Yeah,
Tail.
I try to turn her feet. See that?
No, her head.
Touch her now.
No, you touch it.
Touch her now? Look, see. Good girl.
How about you? Shabbat?
Them no plan. Do we have to do?
I'm scared.
Come on, just touch it.
I'm scared. Look, she's not. She getting up to.
Them always are gonna get touched.
No.
This
She
is
about
just
to
stun
strike.
up. This is just stun
She
up.
about to strike. She got me hot.
Look like she want to jump.
Hello, Pool. Check out like that already. Good morning, sunshine.
Take her out, Candy. Take her out. What size tight here, man? No, your size.
Why you got her in this water?
She's soaking. She can hear it. Just let her go.
I'm not letting her go. She wrapped up in this thing for real.
Put that one in there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's your water. Just put that one in there and take her out.
It's not.
She's gonna hold it, look.
Is she holding the
Yeah, but take
container?
her out. Take her out. She's still gonna hold it regardless of what.
Look.
She'll look something for her and see it.
Okay.
I'm gonna wipe them up. Hold on. Let me just do something.
This is Big Pool. Welcome to the outside world, baby.
Yeah, it's a shit that I find.
Yo, me saw an eagle fly out this from morning, you know.
Eagle or jungle?
Jungle. I wipe him up.
It's wet mulch. Oh.
She's trying to shit.
This is Big Pool. She's thick. Thick like me.
Where you call this here?
Thick.
No, where you call her?
Her name is Pooh.
Alright, so
But she's big.
you must give the table name, me give the iguana name, and Candy have the snake name, Pooh.
She's beautiful and thick. I like it because she's thick. Look, we match. Yeah, bye. Bye. We're heavy.
That's all I know, huh?
Yeah, we're heavy. Remember?
She's soon shed. She blind right now, as I can see, and she
Yeah.
look cloudy.
She blind?
Yeah. When them go shed them eye go first, and then them scale kind of look foggy. I say foggy.
Foggy.
Cloudy.
Look at her moving. Move your body like a snake, man.
Bobette.
What
Well, I
time
know
it
we
is?
So, today again.
So today again.
Remember, ladies and gentlemen, Candy's vlogging. So check out iCandyJ at youtube.com. Yo, what's he with that?
Oh shit. My stomach hurting already. My stomach hurting already.
No, yo, around the complex, so now go.
It don't matter. Niggas don't know how to drive. What if they?
Alright, you look, you think I ride on alright? I know, drive. Wait, you I'll push him, I go say, you know?
Yeah, everybody know. Vlog girl, we're here right now. Show the bike and do some after we done check out the animal and thing. Candy did this vlog. You can go check out Candy vlog at iCandy YouTube page, I think.
I feel disrespected. Wow.
Yeah.
This is beyond me. Very much beyond.
What's the YouTube?
I was gonna say something, but I'm getting recorded. Stop.
Jesus Christ, it was.
He was laughing at me like.
Yo, come on. Yeah. Yo, so what is that we doing? We can't show the car.
Then gone on the bike again.
And show no one going. Yeah, Candy kind of scared dog.
Kinda?
She's scared.
I should have been high.
Our police we see. Candy say shit, I'm scared. We tell her, we say, yo, if them come for me around here, no, I'm let it go. Yo, if you ever let go of this cherry reach.
What when I tell you?
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect.